ready.
Yeah, Derek from Spokane, Washington. Anytime we talk about Washington State, we got to talk about my best friend growing up, Yannick. Those people in Washington where he went to college, they stole him from me. Now he's all about that life up there, and I miss him so much. I miss him. We still text each other happy birthday, you know?
Really?
Yeah,
Wow.
and I miss him.
I remember that. That's a story from years ago.
Yeah.
Still hurts, I can tell.
Yep, but anyway, Derek is from that area, so from Spokane. So trying a campaign using manual, testing some of the things I'm learning from your YouTube videos. Thank you, Derek. My question is, while editing the max cost per click for a single keyword that is modified broad match, or as everyone else in the planet calls it, broad match modified, that
was a low blow.
Salty today. Sorry, Derek. The on the first page of search results amount is $1.79. However, the average CPC is $11.68. Please explain why this is and what would be the best actions to take this for making those adjustments. This campaign recently went to manual. So, Chris, first explain to everyone what he's talking about because it's in our head, but I don't think a lot of people know, and then explain how to handle this discrepancy.
Okay, so what poor Derek is referring to, and he's at a loss about the discrepancy between these two numbers, is he's looking at the estimated on first page bid number that Google gives. So there's some columns on there. There's some other ways to get this estimate, but you can see if you put a keyword in and give it like a 1 cent bid so that Google has, it's basically got to go up from there. It'll tell you estimated first page bid is X. And what he's seen is $1.79. And then his average CPC is $11.68. So it's going from $2 all the way up to $12. So a huge discrepancy. So that's why he's asking a question like, what does this mean? Why is that? So let me explain where each of these numbers come from. So on the first page bid search result number, essentially is an estimate of what your lowest hanging fruit in order to show up on the first page. Let me define what that means. You're showing up on a search that qualifies as the best quality score that you can possibly get. It's in a geographic area that works well for your page. You have a good landing page score for this person is loading the page fast. Everything falls into place, and you show up in 6th position because you're still on the first page. You have a 10 out of 10 quality score for that one search, and all the stars align, and it's beautiful. Look at that. You got onto that position for $1.79. Okay. Congrats. That registers for about 1% of your searches. Okay. The other 99% are going to be higher because that's the lowest hanging fruit. From there, it goes up. Now we talk about situation that you're usually going to get. There's going to be a lot of other competitors. You're not going to have a 10 out of 10 quality score. So you're going to have to make up for it with bids. And now you're paying $6, $12 for this, and you're showing up in 2nd position, maybe still 6th position. The thing is, these numbers are dynamic. They change all the time. They are never standard. Your quality score changes. The number of competitors changes. One person does a search in a certain area. Another person does a search. You can get different bid numbers because each search qualification, the quality score for that is different. So that's the answer. It's not that you need to take action on it. You're asking, what do I need to do to make adjustments? Don't make adjustments based on that number. You're not doing it wrong. That estimated number is like basically saying, how do I get my society into a beautiful unification where everyone just shares and eats flowers all day? That's not the standard. The standard is what your CPC is. That's real world. So there you go. That's it. I'm done.